Everyone, today is Friday, May 8th, and today we'll be taking a math quiz, a very short math quiz, but it will count as a quiz grade, which is more than a regular DOL grade. So it's very important that you carefully read every single question before answering them. Math review. Today's objective. Students will be able to review Unit 8 skills by taking a quiz. And our DOL is Unit 8 Activity 1 to 3 quiz, which is continuing patterns, finding the rule to a given pattern, and measuring an object. Let's get started. Teacher model. And these are just review questions that we've done before. I just want to review before you take the quiz. Given the starting number 21, add 10 to generate 5 terms in the pattern. So if I start with 21, I now need to add 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times to create the pattern. So I know 21 plus 10 is 31. 31 plus 10 is 41. 41 plus 10 is 51. 51 plus 10 is 61. And 61 plus 10 is 71. All I did was begin with the number 21 because they told us our starting number, and then I kept adding 10 to create the next 5 terms in the pattern. You will be asked to do this on the quiz, so if you have any questions, make sure you ask. Find the rule that generated the following number sequence: 5, 8, 11, and 14. So right away I notice that these numbers are increasing. They are getting bigger. So there's no way I'm going to be subtracting, and there's no way I'll be dividing. I'm either adding or multiplying. So first is the obvious. Our starting number is 5, and our rule. To get from 5 to 8, I know you need to add 3. Let's see if that holds true. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. And 11 plus 3 is 14. Wow, so our rule must be to add 3. And that's it. It won't always be easy peasy addition. It might be division or multiplication, so don't be tricked out of it. Okay, here's the next type of question you'll be seeing on our quiz. What is the measurement of the pencil shown below? So you need to see where that it's lined up at the 0, and you need to look at the other end, so where that lead matches up. And it looks like this pencil is 4 inches long because it lines up with the tick of 4. Let's try another one because that was pretty easy. We only had to deal with a whole inch. What is the measurement of the pencil shown below? I noticed it went past the number 3, but we did not reach the 4 yet. And with my pen, I'm going to notice that it's past the 3.5 mark point. It's lined up with this tick mark. That tick mark represents 1/4 of an inch. If this is 3 1/4, this is 3 2/4, this must be 3 3/4, or 3 3/4 inch. Okay. Those super small marks, and I'm going to show you those, these tiny guys are 1/8. So the long one in the middle is 1/2, the smaller ones are 1/8, and these medium ones are 1/4. Those are the only types of questions you'll be seeing on the quiz, so let's go over it again very quickly. You'll have to continue a pattern. You will have to find the rules of a pattern given to you already. and you'll have to measure certain objects. I only gave 3 of those problems, but it won't always work out exactly like this. You'll have to look to see certain tick marks and what they represent. Okay, good luck on the quiz. Remember, a quiz is worth more than a DOL. So although you should always be working to your very best ability on your work, this one is very important because it's a quiz, and a quiz is worth more points. I hope you all have such an amazing weekend. Stay safe, stay home, and I'll see you on Monday.